Hello, Mike is here. Today, I shall share a method on how to changing data format view from month, day, year to the day, month, year in PowerApps by using text function. In previous video, we have created PowerApps. The data format view in each screen is month, day, year. Now we shall apply the PowerApps text function to changing the format to the day, month, year. Let's go to the PowerApps home. In left side panel, find and choose apps. Select more commands after the app date format demo 2. In dialog list, select edit. We are opening the PowerApps in PowerApps Studio. We have the tree view and see 3 screens in the list. Move to the browser screen 1, expanded browser gallery, choose date and time label. The item is date type. We may apply text function directly. On the top formula bar, type in the text, open parentheses, keep the items, comma, open double quotes, day, month, year, space, hour, colon, minutes, close double quotes, close parentheses. Data format changing to the day, month, year. Move to detail screen 1. Choose and expand the detail forms 1. Choose the date card value 2 under date card 1. In the right side panel, select Advanced menu. Click the button of Unlock to changing properties. Now the top formula bar and text field property section are unlocked for editing. Let's apply text function. Here we need to apply DateValue and TimeValue functions with text function together, and the parent default item is a text type. For short data, we apply DateValue to parent dot default item, format it by text function as day, month, year. Then combine date time. For date time, we first apply TimeValue to parent dot default item, then format it by text function as hour, minutes. Date format changing to day, month, year. Move to edit screen 1. Choose and expand edit form 1. Choose the date value 1 under date card 2. In the right side panel, select Advanced menu. Find Format box. Then replace the inside item by date format day, month, year. Date format changing to day, month, year. Let's have a testing by creating a new record to check if we have the date value in right format from the new inputs. Move to the browser screen 1. Select the browser gallery. On the right top corner, find and click the play button. In the app screen, click the plus button, give name test, and the date number. Mark it as a testing 12. Click tick button to submit. Then we find a new record name as test, date in each screen as the format we wanted. that is the day, month, year. This is all in today. In next video, I shall share a way how to embed Power Apps into Power BI reports with a dynamic dataset refresh supports by Power Cloud Automate. It is one integration example of Microsoft Power Platform. If you like today's video and continue to watch more from my channel, please press the subscribe button in below. Thanks for your watching and see you in next video.